Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export low file size videos in DaVinci Resolve. So the first step you simply need to do is to open DaVinci Resolve and click on this icon, that is deliver. So here you need to select the in and out onto the video if you want. So let me select in and that's out. This part I want to export. So once you've done that, you simply need to come here and make sure that your resolution will be, I think HD is good. And here you can see the option of quality. So here you can select the quality low, and here you can change restrict to how many bytes you need. So I want to restrict that to 800, and then you need to click on add to render queue, and after that select the location and render the video. So this is the process how you can export low file size videos in DaVinci Resolve. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.